Hey, welcome back to the Homestead. So we just finished installing this gate, and now we're going to put in a clasp, like a chain link clasp for closure to keep it closed and locked. So check it out. So it came in this here box direct from somewhere. I bought it on Amazon. I'll link it below. Here's all the components here. So you have the clasp itself and then the catch. This goes on the left or right side, obviously, and then when this comes down, it goes through here, and you can put a lock through it, one on each side if you choose. We're going to use one lock. We got a 2-inch lock here, a master lock here. We can set our own code. That way, if you're on this side, you can spin it over to that side and put the code combo in to get the gate open. So let's install it. So the tools you're going to need for this, I got my any size wrench. You're going to need a 17 millimeter and an 18 millimeter. Now I'm in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have access to all my tooling. The one thing I don't like about this, when I already put it on once, is that when this hits, it still sits pretty high. See, it's not straight. So I'm going to flip this over. So I'm going to take my 17 millimeter, my any size wrench, take this off. I just don't like how that sits. It doesn't go down all the way, so I'm just going to flip it over. Now the downfall of doing this is, when it comes up now, it's going to hit the fence. So you got to make sure you have enough room. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. And we'll smoke this down when it's on the fence. All right, let's go watch. All right, I got all my. So I got all my parts and pieces at the gate here. We're going to start with putting on the clasp. Take off a U-bolt. Now this thing goes up to size just over 2 3/8 on the tubes. This is just under 2 inches. So these U-bolts are probably a little bit too big. Goes around this end here like this. The U-bolt goes through. Now the downfall of this is the U-bolt's going to stick out quite a bit. So I'm going to have to cut them off. Otherwise, the bolts contact each other. So we're going to dry fit everything without tightening it down first, just to make sure we're nice and straight. Now you can put this at any height if you choose. Of course, I want it up here. Put it down one if you want. All right, next thing we're going to put on is the clasp. So take off the U-bolt. Now these U-bolts are 19 millimeter. So we'll stick it through. Down backwards. Goes on this end. So you got to have room. You'll see what I mean here in a second about it making contact, the bolts, the U-bolts. This will fit up to a 10-inch gap on a gate, which is pretty nice. All right, so as you can see, my bolts are hitting. Well, this on the other side is hitting pretty hard. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to cut those down. And then we'll tighten them up. So before I cut the other side, I've cut these two. You want to make sure that you don't have any sharpness on there for your wife when she goes to open the gate when you're in the truck. Now we're going to make sure that, see where all my sparks went. Gate closes and latches. So this one has to be up a little bit than the other one. So we're going to use our crescent wrench just to tighten these up a little bit. It gives us a good idea where we want it. And we'll go ahead and smoke them down. I don't have any deep well sockets up here, so let's crescent wrench to tighten this other side down. One more time, make sure it fits good. I like that. Looks real good. While we got it closed here, we're going to take our 17 millimeter and we're going to tighten up the hinge bolt here. So now we're going to tighten up the hinge bolt here. Now it's not a shoulder bolt, but there's a big piece of metal right here, so you can't squeeze the, I mean you could, but you generally can't squeeze the ends in. So I'm just going to make this so it's not going to come out. I'm going to tighten it up pretty good. And now we'll cut off the other bolts, U-bolts there. So I did tighten this down too much. Now it's binding over here. So I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. Probably like a, that much. That's real finicky. Perfect. All right, so now everything's tight. Now I got to cut those other U-bolts off there. All right, so now you can see we have gap in here. Opens and closes. So now we can put our master lock on. Right now it's set at all zeros because I haven't changed the combination yet. We just fish it through here, lock. I mean, now is this going to keep everybody out? No, it keeps the honest people out, and that's all that matters, right? If somebody wants in, they're going to get in. So to do this project, this is what you need. You need the latch mechanism, the lock if you don't have one already, a grinder, 19 millimeter and a 17 millimeter crescent wrench, or a 17 millimeter wrench, a knee pad to kneel on. So look in the description down below for everything I've used today. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. From Idaho, have fun out.